Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you step by step how I polish a stone with a miniature grinder. First, we start with a small segmented disc. We grind some parts, cut others. Since we don't have a water system, we keep a water container to prevent the stone from overheating and reduce dust. Sometimes when cutting it tough, I give it a gentle tap with a hammer to separate the section I want, then trim the excess again. After finishing with a segmented disc, our stone look like this. Now it's time for detailing with segmented drill bits. For better result, you can use higher grade. There are different sanding methods, but my favorite is this. I take a soft disc, make it smaller, and glue a round piece of carpet to it. The free edges help me sand uneven surfaces more easily. Now I put a 150 grit sandpaper on the carpet and I start working. This stage is really time consuming and require patience. We change the sandpaper multiple times until we finally get to this point. Then comes 220, 400, and 800 grit sanding. Finally, I mix cream polishing powder with water, apply it to the stone, and do the final polish with 2000 grit sandpaper. Don't forget to wash the stone immediately after polishing. And here's the final result. If you like it, please like and subscribe. It's your support that motivates me to make more videos. Thanks for watching.